What you wearing? Oh, that's nice. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Skirts? Oh, that's nice. What kind of shorts?
Are you single?
Are you single? Are you single? Single?
You tell me.
You tell me.
Omar.
Omar? You tell me, Omar.
What was that?
He said, oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
You want to have a nice good time with me?
Well, you can have a good time with me. Yeah.
Let's go somewhere special.
Let's go somewhere special.
Over the rainbow.
Over the rainbow.
So, Omar.
So, Omar,
What do you like to do in your spare time?
what do you like to do in your spare time?
Oh, really? What? Those are the questions.
What question?
I know. I heard you love music.
I heard you love music.
You love to dance.
And to dance. I heard you love music and to dance.
Omar.
Yeah.
Yo, you want to grind up on me?
You want to grind up on me? You want to grind up on me? Jessica. Jessica.
No.
Don't you have caller ID? Well, check the number, baby. It's me. Well, I guess we'll see you another time then. Ciao, Bella.
Oh, what are you doing? Hello?
Shut the fuck up!
Hello, Omar! It was just a prank call! No! I love you!
Bye! I'll talk to you another time! Got it?
Good, yeah.